Pav Bhaji is popular Indian street food where dinner rolls or buns are served with spicy mashed veggies topped with dollop of butter. Street food doesn't get better than this. This Pav Bhaji recipe is spicy, so flavorful, and can be easily made vegan by replacing butter with vegan butter. If you have never had this in your life, you are seriously missing out. Here is a simple recipe for preparing Pav Bhaji. Ingredients needed to prepare Pav Bhaji: 2 tablespoons oil, 2 tablespoons butter, 1 onion, finely chopped, 1 green bell pepper, finely chopped, 1 red bell pepper, finely chopped, 1 tablespoon ginger paste, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 2 tomatoes, finely chopped, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon Pav Bhaji masala, salt to taste, 1/4 cup chopped cilantro, 8 dinner rolls. Pav. How to prepare Pav Bhaji. Heat oil and butter in a pan over medium heat. Add onions and saute until they turn translucent. Add green and red bell peppers and saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Add ginger paste and garlic paste and saute for 1 to 2 minutes. Add tomatoes and cook until they turn soft and mushy. Add turmeric powder, red chili powder, Pav Bhaji masala, and salt. Mix well and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 1/2 cup of water and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Mash the vegetables with a potato masher or ladle until they are well blended. Add chopped cilantro and mix well. Toast the dinner rolls on a griddle or a pan until they are golden brown. Serve the hot bhaji with the toasted dinner rolls and garnish with chopped cilantro. Enjoy your homemade Pav Bhaji.